You searched how to buy shares of DEEZR SA, a music streaming company listed on Euronext under the ticker DEEZR.PA. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker. I'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search and type the ticker DEEZR.PA to find the DEEZR listing. Make sure you select the DEEZR.PA share on Euronext as the correct asset. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart. Double-check the company name and the DEEZR.PA ticker to confirm it's the correct stock. Tap Invest, choose the amount you want to buy, then review the order details before submission. If the market is closed, your order may be queued as pending, and if there are not enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirming. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the order executes or is placed. Find the link to eToro in the description if you want to follow the same example.